My name is Vince. About 10 days ago I purchased a snore stopper, and I have been suffering with restless legs and sleep apnea and not very good sleep since I was 20 years old. I'm now in my mid-60s. The Snore Stopper Pulse really helps me. I can sleep a full night now, a full 8 hours, even and a short sleep is very refreshing. It has improved my life considerably. My daytime, I am very wide awake now and not headachy, and I have spent thousands of dollars trying to get a good night's sleep, and for $99 I now have excellent sleep, and I'm very pleased to have found this instrument to do the job for what I require.
Hi, I'd like to tell you about this great invention called the Health Vision Snore Stopper. I bought this about 3 months ago, and before I bought it I heard about it from friends who raved on about it, and at first I thought it was a gimmick, but in the end it got the better of me. So I went out and bought one, and since wearing it I found it to be very helpful. It helped me in a lot of ways. It gave me a lot more energy during the day because of lack of interruption at night when you're sleeping. My wife is very happy as well because she doesn't get any interruptions at night either. So we both are happy. You know what they say, a happy wife will give you a happy life. So I highly recommend to anyone who wants to try it. It's been a great gadget.
My wife Daphne has tried many devices to try to help her with her snoring, and she also suffers from sleep apnea. When got Health Vision Snore Stopper and the regular use of it, it has helped her quite a lot. We both get good regular sleep, and Daphne's energy level has certainly increased. She's not tired and that during the day. We could really recommend this snore stopper for anyone who has similar problems.